Need to get your FreshBooks data out for a deep dive in Excel, or to share with your accountant? Exporting your data to a CSV file is the way to go. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. A CSV file is a universal format that can be opened by any spreadsheet program, giving you maximum flexibility to analyze your numbers. The process is report-driven. Go to the Reports section in FreshBooks and run the report you need, like a profit and loss, expenses, or sales by client report. Once the report is on your screen, look for an Export or Download button. You'll typically have the option to export it as a PDF or a CSV. Choose CSV for the raw data. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: export specific date ranges. Instead of exporting all your data at once, which can be overwhelming, run and export reports for a specific quarter or year. This gives you cleaner, more manageable data sets to work with. Just like that, you've freed your data from FreshBooks and can use it for any custom analysis you need. What's the first thing you do when you get your financial data into a spreadsheet? Let me know down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.